Hi, my name is Mr. Hewland, and we're going to be doing this Aleks topic, solving for a variable in terms of other variables using addition and subtraction, and these are the more advanced problems. In this first equation, I want to solve for a, which means I need to get this variable a by itself, which means I have to think about what are the other variables I would like to get rid of, and in this case it's the 2b. I need to send that over to the other side. So to get rid of a plus 2b, I subtract 2b, and whatever I do to the left-hand side of the equation, I must also do to the right side of the equation to be fair. So this keeps it in balance. The 2b minus the 2b, that subtracts to 0, so the only thing left, or the only thing remaining on the left side is the a. I put the 2b under the 7b because those are like terms, so they can combine. I don't want to put the 2b under the 6 because the 2b and the 6 are not like terms, they cannot combine. So 7b minus 2b is 5b. There's nothing to combine with the 6, so now I have solved for a. Let's do one more. In this example, I want to solve for z. So that's the variable I want to solve for. And notice there's a lot going on around here, so we're going to have probably a couple of steps to do. One thing to point out, the z is on the right-hand side. It doesn't matter if it's on the left or the right. You can still get a variable by itself, solving for z in this case, regardless of what side of the equation it's on. If my goal is to solve for z, it has to be by itself, so I have to get rid of the minus 4x and the minus 2. I get rid of a subtract 2 by adding 2. And remember, I have to do that to both sides. Now I chose to get rid of the minus 2 first, and I left the minus 4x, but you could go in a different order. All right, I'm going to do the left-hand side here now. That's a 3x plus 10. Notice I put the 2 with the 8 because they're like terms, so they easily combine. The negative 2 and the plus 2 add to 0, but everything else stayed the same. All right, my goal was to solve for z, but I have not solved for z because z is not by itself. I need to get rid of the 4x, or in this case a negative 4x. The opposite of minus 4x is plus 4x. I do it to the left, I do it to the right. Now these add to 0, so z is all by itself on the right-hand side, just what I was hoping for. These are like terms. There was no like term for the 10. I have now solved for z. Hope you enjoyed this.